So this is Texas in an ice storm. Our garden building thing collapsed under the weight because it was ice. Oh, there's a squirrel. I'm going to feed my chickens. It's all crunchy out here. Came out here earlier and gave them some food. There's only a few of them outside. 16 degrees out right now, and this is Texas, and they are not used to that. So I have 17 chickens, and 4 of them are outside. The rest of them are inside. I don't blame them. But this is what it looks like. When I came out earlier to give them their scratch grain and stuff, I took the ice off of the tarps, and it was a lot that came off. It was real heavy, but I didn't have a chance to. That was already demolished. We'll have to worry about that when it's warm out. And it's snowing, which it's very fluffy, light snow right now. Hopefully it won't ice no more. Last night we had ice, so it is what it is. Just thought I'd share what Texas looks like in an ice storm. Have a great day.